Hello everyone, I am Dr. K. Muthulakshmi, Associate Professor, Department of Commerce. Now we are going to see an e-content on how to create company in Tally ERP9 by clicking on Tally icon from my desktop. This is the startup page. From this, we have to select work in educational mode. For learning purpose, we can use Tally ERP9 without buying license. We can work on data on our computer with some restrictions. Enter this. Now let us see the main page of the gateway of Tally. From this, we have to select create company under company info. This is the company creation form. Under this, we have to give name of the directory, Tally ERP9. Type Tally ERP9 with GST. Give enter. Type the name of the company. Name of the company is ERP Limited. Enter. Give enter. We have to give the primary mailing details. It appears the same as your company name. Then give enter. Type the address of the company. Address of the company is Main Road, Puttur, Trichy. Give enter, enter, and select the name of the country. The name of the country is India. Then select the name of the state. You have to type the first letter of the state, T, then second letter, A. We have to select it from the list of states, Tamil Nadu. Then give PIN code address of the company. Enter. We have to type the contact details of the company. Phone number. Then we have to type the mobile number of the company. 9876543210. Okay. We have to type the required information only. So we have to skip this field. Then the right side page is books and financial year details. We have to type the financial year begins from. Financial year refers to 12 months accounting period of the company. For this company, financial year begins on 1st April 2020. It is based on business starts date. Okay. Now enter the books beginning from 1st April 2020. Give enter. We have to type security control. This is an optional field which can be enabled any time of the company. Skip this. Skip this. Base currency symbol. This is under base currency information. Base currency information based on country selected. Our country is selected as India. So Automatically selected base currency symbol as rupee, Indian rupee. Enter, enter, enter. We can press enter key to navigate next option. Then accept the screen. Now our company is created as ERP Limited. Okay, thank you. This is the procedure to create company in Tally ERP 9.